Hey Siri, shuffle music.
All right, shuffling music from your Apple Music library.
So that's it. You play any music. You can ask it to play. Hey Siri, play the Red Hot Chili Peppers.
Here's Red Hot Chili Peppers.
See, so all that's controlled from, you don't have to touch your phone. It can be in your pocket anywhere, just so long as it can hear the command. But here we go on to it. So if I click on all the boxes here, you'll see there iPhone, music, maps, messages, audio books. Just click the arrow there. Audible, WhatsApp, Zoom, Spotify. If I click on music there, as you can see, library, we'll go to library, recently added, playlists, all this stuff. It's a fantastic system. It's just so good. Anyway, that's how you use the system. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.